आपल्या सर्वांच्या रोल मॉडेल, ज्यांनी फक्त व्यावसायिक क्षेत्रात यश मिळवले नाही, तर आपल्या संवेदनशील हृदयाने समाजसेवेतही अपूर्व कार्य केले, अशा थर्मॅक्सला ज्यांना यशाच्या शिखरावर नेलं, अशा अनुअगा मॅडम ज्यांना पद्मश्री यांनी गौरवण्यात आलं, अशा अनुअगा मॅडमना मी विनंती करते की आम्हा सगळ्यांना आपण मार्गदर्शन करावे. आम्ही सगळे उत्सुक आहोत आपल्याला ऐकायला. प्लीज मॅडम, कम हिअर अँड गाईड टू अस.
Honorary Shri Sharad Pawar, my friend Supriya and Vandana, Mr. Ajit Nimbarkar, the 6 amazing women award winners, dignitaries on the dais and my friends. I would like to thank Supriya for inviting me for today's Yashaswini Sanman Award event 2014. I'm delighted that 6 women from varied categories who have demonstrated extraordinary determination and grit have been given this award today. I'm also happy that Sakal Publication have released a book on women policy audit. I'm sorry, I'm speaking in English, and Supriya, you said that I know Marathi well, but unfortunately I don't. Sorry. Society, by and large, treats women as second-class citizens, and she has to cope with several disadvantages. Data indicates that in the educational field, that the top rankers today in school and colleges are women. And yet, this is not reflected when it comes to the number of women holding top positions. Is this because women lack some skills, or does it connote a bias in the society? I would like to elaborate on 4 disadvantages for women. The first is her own internal struggle with the messages she has been receiving from childhood, be it restrictions on her body language, her thought process, and the expectations to abide by conventions of society. This is what forms a personal script. Let me give you an example. The Hindi movies, especially some years ago, portrayed a woman as a sacrificing mother, dutiful daughter-in-law, and obedient wife who stayed at home and took care of the family. Women were not shown as successful working women. The second obstacle is the lack of support and encouragement from her immediate family. However, a good child is at studies, the constant messages to marry and to have children. Her brother would be reminded that he would have to have a successful career that pays well. Let me cite my childhood experience. I have 2 older brothers, and though I did better at studies, not once was I told that I could join our family business. Not seeing women working or running businesses, I believed business was only for men. I saw billboards saying Pestanji and Sons, Mukherjee and Sons, and never came across Pestanji and Daughters or Mukherjees and Daughters. Have you ever seen such billboards? And the fourth, there are very few successful role models for women to emulate. These 6 women who have been felicitated would be role models and have demonstrated that any disadvantage can be dealt with and can be overcome, and I congratulate them again. There are women who are successful in their careers, but I think they have to be more like men. Can women stop imitating men blindly? For example, do successful women, like a lot of men, have to be aggressive and workaholics? For men, often success at work has meant a failure at home because a disproportionate time is devoted to the workplace. Women have many inherent and unique qualities which they need to nurture. Intuition. Though our intellect is very critical, intuition has not been very much appreciated, and it is an important quality a woman brings with her. Women can take a lot of more stress than men, especially working women who have to juggle their responsibilities at home and at work. Adaptability. After marriage, women have to get used to their new married surname and in many cases come to terms with their new name given by their in-laws. How many men would be comfortable by the surname of their wives? कभी किसने अपना बीबी का surname लिया है? In India, most married women have to live with their in-laws that can have many advantages and blessings, but calls for adjusting to the demands of the new house. Again, how many men would be comfortable living in their wife's house and adjust to the demands of their mother-in-law? आपको अच्छा लगेगा आपकी mother-in-law के साथ रहने का? Women can multitask because their role as a mother, wife, daughter-in-law and daughter demands simultaneous attention, and fortunately they could do it. On a lighter note, as Charlotte Whitten has said, whatever women do, they must do twice as well as men to be thought half as good. Luckily, this is not difficult. Once again, I thank the organization, especially Supriya, for inviting me to this function, and congrats to all the award winners. All the very best.